How many push-ups should you do per day? Performing 5 sets of 10 push-ups is a reasonable and effective workout, especially for those who are new to fitness or push-ups. It provides a structured approach that allows you to gradually build strength and endurance. Here are some reasons why this workout can be beneficial. Progressive rate. Starting with 5 sets of 10 push-ups allows you to progressively increase the workload over time. As you become stronger, you can either increase the number of sets, repetitions, or move on to more challenging push-up variations. Manageable volume for beginners or those getting back into a fitness routine. A moderate volume like 5 sets of 10 push-ups strikes a balance between effectiveness and manageability. It's enough to stimulate muscle growth and strength development without being overly demanding. Quality over quantity. Focusing on proper form and technique is crucial for any exercise, including push-ups. Performing 5 sets of 10 allows you to maintain good form throughout each set, reducing the risk of injury and maximizing the benefits. Consistency. Setting a reasonable goal of 5 sets of 10 push-ups makes it easier to stay consistent with your workout routine. Consistency is key for long-term progress and fitness maintenance. As you become more comfortable with this workout, you can consider increasing the intensity by adding more sets, repetitions, or exploring different push-up variations. Remember to listen to your body, and if you experience any discomfort or pain, adjust the workout accordingly. Additionally, including a variety of exercises in your routine, such as those targeting different muscle groups, will contribute to a well-rounded fitness program.